The mighty yutyrannus, the beautiful feathered tyrant. So everybody, TJ here, and today this is a yutyrannus action figure that I 3D printed. I made it everything on Blender, or sculpted everything on Blender and Tinkercad, then I 3D printed it. It can move a lot. Mouth can actually open and close if I can do it proper with one hand. See, mouth can open and close like so. Okay, we got that. The paint job on this thing is based on the American Kestrel, by the way, somewhat to an extent. The coloring. Next, go about that far. Go about that down. Pose now looks more natural. You can do whatever this pose is. I can make his legs move. I can even make his hands. Whatever the heck this motion is. You can look about that far out. And you gotta know the tail's really articulated. So yeah, this is my yutyrannus figure. This is my yutyrannus action figure. I fully made it on myself on my computer, 3D printed it and everything. Hand painted it as well. So this is my yutyrannus. I'll see you guys in the next one.